Good morning, it's Dr. Rogini. So when you feel these three emotions, which is shame, doubt, and fear, it could be other emotions as well, but let's talk about these three. These three can take you away from your alignment, take you away from your power, take you away from being present and being in your power. What does that look like? So when we experience these emotions, shame, fear, and all this doubt you have, they're related to some form of past events, past situations. Your mind starts to create stories. Your mind starts to associate your past experience into something that you cannot do anymore this time. Then what happens is your life force energy that wants to shine and radiate, wants to express itself, it's dimmed down. Your light is being dimmed down. You start becoming very down in terms of emotions. You're going to start feeling down. You're going to start feeling depressed. You are going to start to feel stuck. All these are related to some past emotions. And typically when you're feeling these, you're not even aware that you're feeling shame. You're not even aware that you're feeling guilt. And you're not even aware that you're feeling doubt. That is the scary part. So I'm not here to put more fear into you. I'm here to put more hope, faith, and trust again. So there's different levels of frequency in your emotions. So shame, guilt, and doubt are in the lower end of the frequency. But once you start to evolve from hope to faith, hope is more like a little bit lower end from faith. But when you have that certainty, that confidence, that is the higher end. So when we activate certainty, when we activate confidence, when we activate all these different emotions, you start to embody these feelings. When you start to embody these feelings, they overpower all these passed down emotions. What will happen is your body will start healing. Your body will start to be awakened. Your mind and your soul, everything starts to be integrated, connected. You feel more alive again. You feel like you're ready to do things again. You're ready to create. You're ready to be a visionary, a leader, whatever that is for you. And reason why I'm sharing this, I've been practicing as a chiropractor over my business is 15 years, but my practice, I've been practicing as 17 years, okay? So what I've seen through these experiences, I'm trying to get some, there you go. Through these experiences, your body, your light, your connection to source can be removed with all these doubts. Even your healing power within, because we all have healing power. Our body is designed to heal. Our body is designed to function. Our body is designed to move. Our body is designed to do things, not to hold back, not to be limited, not to be stuck, and not to be depressed, and not to be in shame, and not to be in guilt, and not to be in doubt. And they're so subtle. When I do mentorship with my group, or with my clients in the clinic, I reawaken. I give them that one thing, and they start recognizing they're in that past, operating from the past, operating from these emotions. That's why their life is not getting where it needs to go. That's where they feel like my life sucks. But no, it's not. It's the way you're telling yourself. It's a story you're creating inside your head. Okay? Let's rewire that story. Let's create a brand new story. So this is what we do in our Masterclass. This is what we do in our mentorship program. Okay, so we already had, I just want to announce this right now. We have one more Monday left, which is June the 30th, 2025. Because in case someone watches this in the future. So you can still join, even if you missed the last 3 ones. Okay, you can watch the replays. And you can watch all those questions and answers that people had. It's going to help you to evolve. The goal here is to get back into your power, activate that Shakti. Everybody knows me. Some people call me Dr. Rogini, some people call me Shakti. just because my business name is Shakti Chiro. Okay, so join that. If you feel like you're connected, you want to do this, get out of your comfort zone, move beyond fear, shame, and doubt, this is for you. This is it. Okay, another one, I am going to have a new workshop, a masterclass that's coming up in August. I haven't decided the date yet, but the good news is you get to take that Shakti Activate course. So once you purchase that Shakti Activate course, you'll be automatically joined into that masterclass. Okay? The masterclass might be 1 day or 2 days or 3 days. I haven't decided. Even if you purchase and you miss the masterclass, you can watch the replay. So what is the masterclass about? So masterclass is about the frequency of Shakti, the frequency of confidence, certainty, and faith. So we're going to go deep. We're going to remove all these layers that is full of fear, shame, and guilt from our past, from our ancestors, from our inner wounds. Okay? You don't need layers. Okay, so this is another thing. I usually talk about this. Some people stay in therapy for too long. It's time to get out of that loop and move on to a higher level of consciousness. I'm not saying therapy is bad. It's important. We need all sorts of practitioners. But if you're ready to go to that next level where you activate confidence, that's where manifestation is. That is where your power is. That is where creation is. That is where we manifest from pleasure, from joy. We manifest from desires. We manifest through our deeper inner calling. It's totally different. Once you join this group, like you feel back your power. You feel back who you truly are. And I know just watching this video is going to activate that for you. Especially if you're that type A personality and you're just kind of lost right now in your path and you're like, I don't know what's going on. This video is going to help you. But also, if you want to go further and you want to imprint these data into your body, you want to embody this energy, if you want to practice, because our body is made of energy, light particles, okay? And I'm trained to see that. I didn't know my life is going to get to this point, but as a chiropractor, I see the way their nervous system operates. I see the way their body operates. I see the pattern in their systems. And that's my duty to share with them what to remove out of your energy systems in order for you to move forward. Okay? And the way I do it is literally saying that code that that person needs. Okay? In the group, you guys gonna unfold through questions, and answers will be revealed to you. Answers will be revealed to you.